Hello. So I'm going to talk about the process that I go through every morning to put my topper on and how to blend it with my own hair. The first thing that you want to do is kind of part your hair where you want it on your topper. You're going to comb a little bit forward in the front here. At this point, you want to go ahead and put your topper on, match it up with your part line. And you're not going to want to come all the way too forward. You want just a hair behind so that you're able to blend your own bio hair in. Go ahead and get clipped in here. Next, to integrate my own hair with the topper, use the comb and just kind of hold the top down while you comb it in together. So you're all nice and blended. I got a new product to try from UniWigs. It's their hair building fibers. Comes in a bottle just like this. The color that I got to try is medium brown. I'm wearing the upgraded Courtney in Mousse brown, and I feel like this color went best with it. So first, we want to kind of camouflage where your topper sits as much as we can. So we're gonna just start doing our little spray puffer right in the middle. If it gets on your skin, no worries, real easy to just rub in. You're gonna wanna do a little bit on the sides to just kind of camouflage, rub it in with your finger again, and continue all the way to the other side. And you can see where the rim of the topper is sitting. You want to just camouflage that as much as you can. Keep going all the way around, and you can easily see where the fibers are going. So they don't stick to skin, they're only going to stick to your hair. That's the point of them. So go ahead and just get the little extra bits off there. Run your comb through again. Now it's just giving more fullness and density in the front, right where your part line is, to make it look more natural. Along the sides too, because this is all my bio hair down here, so you want to make sure that's filled in. All the way across. There we go. So that looks pretty good. These fibers are made of cotton and iron oxide, which is great. They're non-toxic products. After you're done, if you need to travel with it, you can pop the top off and then screw the original lid that came on so they won't spill in your travel bag. Last thoughts on the new UniWigs hair building fibers. I love the ingredients, that they're clean ingredients. I love the easiness of the blend, that they come right off with water. They come in a lot of different colors for all hair types. You're able to just blend with your finger, integrate with your comb, and then you're set to go. They're really easy to travel with. I'm gonna add a couple of before and after photos at the end of this so you can really see the difference that it makes. It doesn't look like a lot on the video, but once you see before and after, I think you'll agree with me.